Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight, a landmark court ruling after this viral TikTok video.
I'm a police officer. Of course, I'm going to ask her for your number.
I'm a police officer. Of course, criminal will escape in nearby bushes.
Hear what the judge has to say. Also tonight, a deadly police encounter in Kingston. A wanted man known as Blackhead fatally wounded during an early morning police operation. What police say happened moments before the killing. And two senior government employees under arrest tonight in a multi-million-dollar cocaine bust at Jamaica's busiest airport. Drugs, a firearm, and a suspect hospitalized tonight under police guard. Plus, there's good news tonight. Young minds making a difference. Brownstown Primary takes top honors at an environmental quiz. Welcome or welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're all powered by viewers just like you. We've got great rewards just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you unlock rewards you'll love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversaries, other special moments, and just so much more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe, then click join and choose to become a full star or full elite member right now. That's it, simple and quick. A link to join has been posted in the comments. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin tonight with a deadly police encounter in Kingston. Police say a wanted man was shot and killed early Saturday morning after allegedly pointing a firearm at officers during a raid in Mountain View. The deceased has been identified as Devar Hodges, also known as Skedo and Blackhead from Brownstown, St. Anne. Police say members of the Kingston Eastern Division entered the premises along Jacks Road in Mountain View, Kingston 3 around 5:30 a.m. The officers entered the room and Hodges, upon being accosted, reportedly pointed a firearm at the lawman, who took evasive action and shot him. He was transported to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Hodges was wanted in the St. Anne Police Division for wounding with intent and was recently featured on the JCF Wanted Wednesdays campaign. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, is now probing the incident. Also tonight, another deadly shooting, this time in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Police are searching for those responsible for the fatal shooting of 50-year-old Charlie Whyte, who was gunned down while walking along King Street on Friday afternoon. Investigators say the attack happened around 1:30 when Whyte was ambushed and shot by unknown assailants. He was rushed to the Spanish Town Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The police have not established a motive for the murder. The Spanish Town Criminal Investigation Branch is probing the matter. New tonight, police have charged alleged gang leader Courtney Bloodstain Ashley after investigators say they uncovered a conversation about the sale of a firearm on his cell phone. Ashley, who is 40 years old, was arrested on Monday, January 12, during a police operation at his home in Portmore, St. Catherine. Police say he had been listed as wanted in connection with multiple serious crimes, including murder. According to investigators, after his arrest, Ashley gave consent for his cell phone to be searched. That search reportedly revealed messages discussing the sale of a firearm, prompting further investigations and the laying of charges. Ashley is now facing multiple offenses, including possession of a prohibited weapon, dealing in firearms without a license, aiding and abetting, and seeking benefit through professing to have a firearm. His court date is being finalized. Police say Ashley also maintains a residence in Marvelly, St. Andrew, and in September 2025, the Jamaica Constabulary Force identified Ashley as the reputed leader of the Bottom Marvelly gang. At the time, he was listed as wanted in connection with the 2017 murder of Andrew Foster, the wounding of another man on Fenbrook Avenue, and was named a person of interest in a double murder in the St. Andrew South Division. Ashley was also a suspect in an attempted contract killing on Jacks Hill Road in July last year. That plot was disrupted during a police operation carried out by the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, CTOC, which resulted in 5 suspects being killed. Ashley, a sixth suspect, escaped at the time and was later named a person of interest. Senior police officials have described Ashley's capture and subsequent charges as a significant blow to organized crime and gang activity in Jamaica. At the nation's airport, 2 senior government employees are facing serious drug charges tonight. Detectives from the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division arrested a man and a woman at the Sangster International Airport after seizing more than 9 kilograms of cocaine, valued at approximately $5.4 million. The pair were intercepted while attempting to board a flight to New York. Police say drugs were found concealed in false compartments inside their suitcase. Further searches at their homes uncovered a Glock 19 pistol, ammunition, and additional cocaine. One suspect remains hospitalized under police guard after admitting to swallowing more than 70 cocaine pellets. The suspects' names have not been revealed, and investigations are ongoing. A landmark court ruling tonight involving the Jamaica Constabulary Force. A Supreme Court judge has ruled that senior members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force exceeded their legal authority when they disciplined a police woman over a TikTok video that's said to have brought the force into disrepute. The ruling centers on a viral video posted in January 2024, which showed 3 uniformed police officers participating in an online trend. Take a look.
I'm a police officer in Jamaica. Of course, everybody call me Squaddy. I'm a police officer in Jamaica. Of course, me go skip the KFC line.
I'm a police officer. Of course, I'm going to ask her for your number.
I'm a police officer. Of course, criminal going escape in nearby bushes. I'm a police officer in Jamaica. Of course, cabby go get a ticket.
I'm a police officer. Of course, I'm going to wear my uniform to the embassy.
I'm a police officer. Of course, we don't believe in corruption. I'm a police officer. Of course, I'm going to use a siren to come out of traffic.
I'm a police officer. Of course, people are going to ask me for direction. Alright, you're supposed to turn right.
I'm a police officer in Jamaica. Of course, nobody like me. But everybody want police friend though.
Following the video circulation, Constable Miska Sterling Gibson was disciplined by senior officers, including being ordered to undergo 6 months of confinement training at the National Police College of Jamaica. However, in a formal order issued on January 15, the Supreme Court found that Deputy Commissioner of Police Richard Stewart acted outside the police service regulations when he ordered Sterling Gibson to confinement training in excess of the 3-day limit on January 29, 2024. The court also ruled that then Senior Superintendent of Police Michael Phipps exceeded his authority by imposing an additional punishment during an orderly room hearing on March 22, 2024, despite the constable having already been sanctioned by the same incident. In delivering the decision, Justice Tanya Mott Talak Reed stated that the disciplinary actions taken against Sterling Gibson were unlawful and could not stand. The court also ruled that each party is to bear its own legal costs. In other news tonight, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang is pushing back against online rumors.
I wish to express my deep appreciation and to all Jamaicans who have called, my family and colleagues and friends and the wider public after the mischievous report this morning and social media. I'm fine, recovering well, and in fact, on a very good schedule from my doctor at the university.
The ministry says the Deputy Prime Minister is recovering well following elective surgery and was never hospitalized due to a medical emergency. Officials are urging the public to be cautious about misinformation. An urgent appeal tonight from the Jamaica Police Federation. Blood donations are being requested for a police woman critically injured after being struck by a taxi at the intersection of Hope Road and Lady Musgrave Road. Constable Quayshawn Curlew remains hospitalized at the University Hospital of the West Indies, and donations are urgently needed. You're being asked to donate blood at the Blood Collection Center at the University Hospital of the West Indies, the National Blood Bank, or any blood receiving location island-wide, and take the receipt to the Blood Collection Center at the University Hospital of the West Indies. Turning now to recovery after Hurricane Melissa. In the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, William Knibb Memorial High School in Trelawney has turned to temporary tented classrooms to keep teaching and learning on track while major repairs are carried out.
Of maybe about 20 rooms, and our tents are giving us about 18. With that, we are able to host 4 groups every day, or 5 of our groups out of the 6 groups we have every day. So pretty much we want to give thanks to UNICEF for having done that.
The institution suffered an estimated $400 million in damage during the Category 5 storm, with extensive destruction to its buildings. To prevent prolonged disruption to students, school administrators introduced the temporary arrangement earlier this month. William Knibb, the alma mater of sprint legend Usain Bolt, was among more than 600 schools across western Jamaica severely damaged by Hurricane Melissa. Repair work is already underway, with crews focusing on the library, administrative block, and perimeter fencing. Full completion of the repairs is projected for July. And before we go tonight, some good news. Brownstown Primary School has emerged as the overall winner of the inaugural Environmental Quiz and Expo, edging out the Glen Preparatory 36-30 in a closely fought final held on Tuesday at Holiday Haven in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. Runaway Bay Primary secured 3rd place, defeating Lower Buxton Primary by decisive 50 points to 7. The competition brought together 13 primary schools across St. Anne and was organized by Cause for Change Foundation Limited in partnership with the VM Foundation and the Ministry of Education, Skills, Youth and Information, among other stakeholders. Organizers stressed that the event was about more than competition. It was designed to educate students and communities about healthy environmental practices and the importance of creating a safer, more sustainable Jamaica. Such a great competition. Congratulations to all the participants. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're all powered by viewers just like you. This year, we've got great rewards just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you unlock rewards you'll love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversaries, other special moments, and just so much more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe, then click join and choose to become a FIWA Star or FIWA Elite member right now. That's it, simple and quick. A link to join has been posted in the comments. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining, and also thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.